The next word is waterfall. A waterfall is a place where water flows over a cliff or steep rock. We visited a beautiful waterfall in the mountains. This means we went to see a stunning cascade of water in the mountains. The sound of the waterfall was very relaxing. This means the noise of the falling water made me feel calm. There is a small waterfall behind the cabin. This means there is a natural water drop near the cabin. The next word is wave. Wave can mean a movement of water or a hand gesture. The waves at the beach were very high. This means the moving water in the ocean was tall. She gave me a friendly wave before leaving. This means she moved her hand to say goodbye in a nice way. The surfer rode a huge wave. This means the surfer balanced on a large, moving part of the ocean. The next word is weak. Weak means lacking strength or power. After being sick, he felt very weak. This means he had no energy after his illness. The bridge is too weak to support heavy trucks. This means the bridge is not strong enough for large vehicles. She has a weak voice because of a sore throat. This means her voice is not strong due to throat pain. The next phrase is wear something out, or wear out something. To wear something out means to use it so much that it becomes damaged. I wore out my shoes after hiking for years. This means my shoes became too old to use after many hikes. His old jeans are completely worn out. This means his jeans have holes and are too damaged to wear. If you keep using that notebook, you will wear it out. This means the notebook will become too used to be useful. The next phrase is weather forecast. A weather forecast is a prediction of future weather conditions. The weather forecast says it will rain tomorrow. This means the weather report predicts rain for the next day. She always checks the weather forecast before traveling. This means she looks at the weather predictions before her trip. According to the weather forecast, it will be sunny this weekend. This means the weather report says the weekend will have sunshine. The next word is web. A web can refer to a spider's web or the internet. A spider spun a web in the corner of the room. This means a spider created a net-like structure in the room. I found the information on the web. This means I got the details from the internet. The web connects millions of people worldwide. This means the internet links many people across different countries. The next word is webcam. A webcam is a camera that connects to a computer or the internet. She used a webcam for the online meeting. This means she used a camera connected to her computer to talk online. I bought a new webcam for better video calls. This means I got a new camera for clearer online meetings. His webcam wasn't working, so we couldn't see him. This means his camera had a problem, so we could only hear him. The next word is wedding. A wedding is a ceremony where two people get married. They had a beautiful wedding by the beach. This means their marriage ceremony took place near the ocean. The wedding guests arrived early for the celebration. This means the people attending the marriage event came before it started. She wore a white dress to her wedding. This means she chose a white gown for her marriage ceremony. The next word is weigh. To weigh means to measure how heavy something is. The doctor asked me to weigh myself. This means the doctor wanted me to check my body weight. How much does this bag weigh? This means I'm asking about the bag's heaviness. He weighs more than 80 kilograms. This means his body weight is over 80 kilograms. The next word is weight. Weight is the measurement of how heavy something is. She lost a lot of weight after exercising regularly. This means she became lighter because of frequent workouts. The weight of the package is 5 kilograms. This means the package is 5 kilograms in heaviness. Lifting weights at the gym helps build muscle. This means exercising with heavy objects strengthens the body. The next word is well-dressed. Someone who is well-dressed wears stylish or neat clothes. He is always well-dressed for work. This means he wears elegant outfits in the office. She arrived at the party looking very well-dressed. This means she wore stylish clothes for the event. Even though he was well-dressed, he felt nervous about the interview. This means he looked smart but still felt uneasy. The next word is Western. Western can refer to the West or Western culture. They love watching Western movies. This means they enjoy films from the US or Europe. The western part of the country has many mountains. This means the area in the West has a lot of high landforms. Western food is popular in many countries. This means European or American cuisine is well liked. The next word is Whale. A whale is a very large marine mammal. We saw a huge whale in the ocean. This means we spotted a massive sea creature in the water. Whales can hold their breath for a long time. This means these animals can stay underwater without breathing. A baby whale is called a calf. This means the young of a whale has a special name. The next phrase is what if. What if is used to ask about possible situations. What if it rains tomorrow? This means I am considering the possibility of rain. What if we miss the flight? This means I am worried about being late for the plane. What if she doesn't like the gift? This means I am concerned she may not appreciate the present. The next word is whatever. Whatever means anything or everything of a particular type. You can eat whatever you like. This means you are free to choose any food. Do whatever makes you happy. This means do anything that brings you joy. Whatever happens, we'll support you. This means no matter what, we will help you. The next phrase is what's up. What's up is an informal way to ask someone how they are or what they are doing. Hey, what's up? This means I am greeting someone casually. What's up with you today? This means I am asking if something is different about the person. He asked, what's up, when he saw me. This means he greeted me in a friendly way. The next word is wheelchair. A wheelchair is a chair with wheels used by people who cannot walk. She uses a wheelchair after her accident. This means she cannot walk and needs the chair to move. The building has a wheelchair ramp. This means there is a special path for people in wheelchairs. He pushed his grandfather's wheelchair across the park. This means he helped his grandfather move using the chair. The next word is whenever means at any time. You can call me whenever you need help. This means you can contact me at any time for assistance. Come visit us whenever you're free. This means you are welcome to visit at any time. Whenever I hear this song, I feel happy. This means I always feel happy when this song plays. The next word is wherever. Wherever means in any place. Sit wherever you want. This means you can choose any seat. I'll follow you wherever you go. This means I will go to any place where you are. You can study wherever it is quiet. This means you should pick any peaceful location for studying. The next word is whether. Whether is used to introduce two possibilities. I don't know whether he will come. This means I am unsure if he will arrive or not. Tell me whether you agree. This means I want to know if you accept or reject the idea. She couldn't decide whether to stay or leave. This means she was unsure about her choice. The next phrase is whether or. Whether or is used to show two possible options. Whether you win or lose, I'll support you. This means no matter the result, I will be there. I don't know whether to study or rest. This means I am unsure which activity to choose. We'll go on the trip whether it rains or not. This means the plan will happen in any weather condition. The next word is whose. Whose is used to ask or show possession. Whose book is this? This means I am asking who owns the book. I met a woman whose son is a doctor. This means the woman has a son who is a doctor. Do you know whose phone is ringing? This means I am asking about the owner of the phone. The next phrase is why not? Why not is used to agree with a suggestion or to ask for a reason. Let's go to the beach. Why not? This means I agree with the idea. Why not try again? This means I'm encouraging someone to make another attempt. Why not tell her the truth? This means I'm asking for a reason not to be honest. The next word is wildlife. Wildlife refers to animals and plants living in nature. The park is home to a lot of wildlife. This means many animals and plants live in the park. Wildlife conservation is important. This means protecting wild animals and plants matters. I love watching wildlife documentaries. This means I enjoy TV shows about nature. The next word is windscreen. A windscreen is the glass at the front of a car. The windscreen was covered in rain. This means the front glass of the car had rain on it. She cleaned the windscreen before driving. This means she removed dirt from the front glass. A stone cracked my windscreen. This means a rock damaged the front glass of my car. The next word is windsurfing. Windsurfing is a sport using a board with a sail on water. He loves windsurfing at the beach. This means he enjoys this water sport. Windsurfing requires balance and skill. This means you need to control your body and movements. They rented windsurfing equipment for the trip. This means they borrowed tools for the sport. The next word is wing. A wing is the part of a bird, insect, or plane used for flying. The bird flapped its wings. This means the bird moved its wings up and down. The plane's wing was damaged. This means part of the aircraft was broken. She saw a butterfly with colorful wings. This means the insect had bright colored wing parts. The next word is wish that. Wish that is used to express a desire or regret. I wish I could fly. This means I dream about having this ability. She wishes that she had studied more. This means she regrets not studying enough. I wish you a happy birthday. This means I hope you enjoy your birthday. The next phrase is with the help of something. With the help of something means using something to assist in achieving a goal. She solved the problem with the help of a calculator. This means she used a calculator to find the answer. With the help of my friend, I finished my homework. This means my friend assisted me. He learned English with the help of online courses. This means online courses helped him study. The next word is within. Within means inside a certain time, space, or limit. The package will arrive within 3 days. This means it will come in less than or exactly 3 days. She completed the test within an hour. This means she finished it in under an hour. Please stay within the park boundaries. This means do not go outside the park's area. The next phrase is without delay. Without delay means immediately or as soon as possible. The doctor saw the patient without delay. This means the doctor helped right away. Please respond without delay. This means answer quickly. Firefighters must act without delay. This means they must work fast in emergencies. The next word is wonder. Wonder means to think about something with curiosity or doubt. I wonder what she is doing now. This means I am curious about her actions. He wondered if he had made the right choice. This means he was thinking about his decision. She looked at the stars in wonder. This means she admired them with amazement. The next phrase is work out. Work out can mean to exercise or to solve a problem. He works out at the gym every morning. This means he exercises daily. We need to work out a solution. This means we need to find an answer. Everything worked out in the end. This means things ended well. The next word is working. Working means functioning or doing a job. My phone is not working. This means my phone is broken. She has been working all day. This means she has been doing her job. The working conditions are good here. This means the environment for employees is good. The next word is work out. A workout is a session of physical exercise. I had a great workout today. This means I exercised well. Her workout routine includes running and lifting weights. This means she does these exercises regularly. A short workout is better than none. This means even a little exercise is beneficial. The next word is would. Would is used to talk about hypothetical situations, polite requests, or past habits. I would love to visit Japan someday. This means I hope to go to Japan in the future. Would you like some tea? This is a polite way to offer tea. When I was young, I would play outside every day. This means playing outside was my past habit. The next phrase is would rather. Would rather is used to express preference. I would rather stay at home than go out. This means I prefer staying at home. She would rather drink coffee than tea. This means she prefers coffee. Would you rather watch a movie or read a book? This is asking for someone's preference. The next phrase is would you mind? Would you mind is a polite way to ask for permission or a favor. Would you mind opening the window? This means I am asking politely if you can open the window. Would you mind if I used your phone? This means I am asking if it is okay for me to use your phone. Would you mind not making so much noise? This means I am politely asking you to be quieter. The next word is wrap. Wrap means to cover something with paper, cloth, or another material. She wrapped the gift in colorful paper. This means she covered the gift with wrapping paper. Wrap yourself in a blanket if you're cold. This means cover yourself with a blanket. He wrapped a bandage around his arm. This means he put a bandage on his injured arm. The next phrase is wrap something up. Wrap something up can mean to finish something or to cover something. Let's wrap up the meeting. This means let's finish the meeting. She wrapped up the leftovers and put them in the fridge. This means she covered the leftover food. They wrapped up the project successfully. This means they completed the project well. The next phrase is write something down. Write something down means to record something on paper. Please write down your phone number. This means I want you to write your number on paper. I wrote down the address so I wouldn't forget it. This means I noted the address to remember it. She wrote down everything the teacher said. This means she took notes of the teacher's words. The next word is writer. A writer is someone who writes books, articles, or other texts. She is a famous writer. This means she writes books and is well known. The writer of this article did a great job. This means the person who wrote the article did well. I want to be a writer in the future. This means I want to write professionally one day. The next word is written. Written is the past participle of write and refers to something that has been recorded in writing. I have written a letter to my friend. This means I completed writing a letter. This rule is not written anywhere, but everyone follows it. This means the rule is not officially recorded, but people still follow it. The book was written by a famous author. This means the famous author created the book. The next word is yard. A yard can mean an outdoor area around a house or a unit of measurement, about 0.91 meters. The children are playing in the yard. This means they are playing outside in the garden. The store is just a few yards away. This means the store is very close, a short distance. She planted flowers in her yard. This means she grew flowers outside her house. The next word is yoga. Yoga is a form of exercise that combines stretching, breathing, and meditation. I practice yoga every morning. This means I do yoga exercises daily. Yoga helps reduce stress and improve flexibility. This means yoga makes people feel relaxed and more flexible and more flexible. She teaches yoga at the gym. This means she is a yoga instructor. The next phrase is you know. You know is a common filler phrase used in conversation to engage the listener or give time to think. I was, really surprised by the news. This means I need a moment to think and I want the listener to stay engaged. He's a great guy, This means I am emphasizing that he is a great person. I think I've seen this movie before. This means I am remembering something and want confirmation. The next phrase is, you must be joking. You're joking. These phrases are used to express disbelief or surprise. You must be joking. That's too expensive. This means I can't believe how high the price is. You're joking. She really won the competition. This means I am shocked that she won. He said he met the president. You must be joking. This means I find it hard to believe. The next phrase is yours sincerely. Yours sincerely is a formal way to close a letter, usually when you know the recipient's name. Dear Mr. Smith, I appreciate your time and consideration. Yours sincerely, John Doe. The next phrase is yours truly. Yours truly is another formal way to end a letter, often used in business or professional settings. Dear hiring manager, thank you for reviewing my application. Yours truly, Jane Doe. The next word is youth. Youth refers to the time of being young or young people as a group. She spent her youth traveling the world. This means when she was young, she traveled a lot. The youth of today are very tech savvy. This means young people today are good with technology. A youth club offers activities for teenagers. This means the club organizes events for young people. The next word is zone. A zone is an area that is different from others for a specific reason. This is a no parking zone. This means cars are not allowed to park here. The city is divided into different zones. This means the city has areas for different purposes. The danger zone is marked with red tape. This means the risky area is clearly indicated.